Today we talked about authors and how they thank the people who helped them with the book in the acknowledgments. Those are usually at the front of the book on one of the first pages. Authors will thank people for helping research or find information if they've written an informational book, a nonfiction book. Sometimes they thank people for taking the photos in their nonfiction book. Other times they thank people for thinking that this book was a good idea. And sometimes they thank people for the money to help make the book. And then sometimes they thank people for help when they are writing the book. Today, when you are reading to yourself during your independent time, pay attention to the acknowledgments. See if your book has some. And then be ready to share those examples during share time.